eti ono no call so kwa double ni sika no double scan where bank bank eti ontimi nko police station
okay
because asema by social media airports go to the police station uko na ohwe no munya go to the court
okay
but no him say by laws no ono and he is guilty into ontimi nko eti why ya aba fema media social media we say sometimes me dey before says I go be no woody because ya wia wan pa any social media so na oka bim say oye made na me pa make police station make report na no be ono ya is how be be jan na ma bibie ma no na me ka na we I say ever so be amrebe
Mwakaba Edibatuma GHSO and then so Empress Martina said director Ben Bruce our mention was studio ha ya be pen sembi epo masibre ensemu a edi kan e kamia ye se oba eye Ghana hanom dia na ne kan bonten so eye asofo mienu entokwa kase eye aba wontam ni nyina eye se eye workers a woni eye adwuma eye evangelist mama part ana dodo na nim say your friend Agradaa ni di we die ye bono ma na ka say eye ne pass name no eka ho enu nti no eye ama oti ama ne hawo ya nkyere mu sa amanfo dodo na ehu esansa Agradaa na ena ade baji din kase a ye di nim wo ane eye osofo computer man eye mama part workers ni bie akwakodi ni nkyɛn ni yomo ye adwuma obi ti say eye na brown one no eye adwuma one ni jaiye mama part ni jaiye say akopie mu computer man strong TV so oye adwuma die kase pa ane amanfo de baso ne no ene ode papa bi koba aso papa ne nsem a waka nyina kyekye eye mama part abuno ni sika galei ode ase na japade agene ho niema ama say wadampan ohia dokoro ena adoko no no nam so mama kopie mu ni tfm na no ena mami eye ni show a oya no talking point eye kwasi ada bia obeka ye so ekire se wa free computer man na kasa na nkomo ni di ye ni na kire se eye show no onim so mu ye show bi but oka kire na brown se ompese eye obi bia oni ne be yusu ni TV no na omode ntokwa na se wabegu mami na nim ase so na bra wote sana na mso ma say wa suspend eye na brown na ebu nsem no ansana ye bedi nkomo no ma yenkotie eye wonkomodie na wodi ye no eye mami eboye yenkotie mfamra ya ba na ya to aso
se ti no ke wo kuma ni mo ase di matem afa ye dai afa fo afrel ansia o se papa se de wo kunu ya ba ma ba we da dan si o ye nyina ye be fra ye me pamu no me be sia ye dai aba chia ni kuma me da na ti kwa bu fu mi se ti wo ye ni ba ye de ye wa ya ana wo fa sa wo pu no wa mpe o ana wo sai ma kwala no a me ni o me ye adwuma bi da kwesi wa se me wa 6 months o me ni ye adwuma na be fa Keke si no je adwuma be 1 month. Eno me ni ye adwuma na be fa no. But ami me ye ti do catch us papa. Enye hwe wo ni kwala ni ye adwuma. Because be ya kwesi o me kai Bible mane. Eno ko ma ye me hu. Eti dia wo de fo mo ye adwuma be we se me ka me ko no. Ni ye o mo be kai ya me asem. Aye dai. Ama me. I do respect no. E ma ho. One go. One pet. I me catch us a computer. Unu dey tell me o so be pattern no. Mami nkeke ni progress na wase so mo nyina no me ka obi. E na no use so yen. E na na me se ma twa me ho because we betray me. Eti ma twa me ho. Me na me ni betray o so be mpa. E dey betray me. Obi ani mo. Abia no me papa ni sia wo dem nobody. No be ani up. Eti me na me ni the reason say me so be mpa. Me dey na dem wa want so be ma sa akrofo na ida ya ka o manu atu. Ika we nyina tell on phone. Ma fancy o. Ana me ka tell say o pass me no me no tell me ya fire. Shadu mo bia tell TV ni so. Eni madam. Na me na we so for yi. Okoya dia bi. Ti say do di brodo koyi was na e video na na mo se be ka bi. Me bia ma wi me no ni to kwa. That say say no what to. Sami. Okay. Sami bia ma no se ni to we me no what to kwa. Me do nya me opa ka uti ma me nye. Me no what to kwa. What you say? No na bro. What's my pay? O ma kuma ni mo ase. O ya krofo, o ya za, o ya so tu o se bi fi obi. Obi aye bi man fi. But for you to come say, the ministry na ma bi no. Ni ti obi esi kata. Obi ama ho ma me ma ni num ni phone. Ya mburu obi a ho. What do you want sabe ka ministry? You would die for the ministry to grow. I swear my God. You will die for the ministry to grow.
Computer man any evangelist mama part our conversation no e dia ba enu ti ye to aso e was studio hanum say director Ben Bruce me mo akaba
yeah me there
bia ba fam there
na for feed actually very
never give up. What are you not giving up?
You never give up in life. Right from my mother's womb, I've never given up. Yeah, life is about struggle. If you don't struggle, you succeed. So you never give up in life.
So you stay focused.
Yeah, very focused. You pursue, you persist. Yeah, if you pursue, then you persist. Then you overtake.
Bebre no say na man when you broken heart you say ya no to tonta dey be never give up no hwehwehwehwe.
But your man to me say me obi breaking me heart that. Obi ask to be breaking me heart that. E wi ase me ada me person me breaking of heart. And breaking me heart. I me no what do me na me don no me am don.
So far evangelist mama part nkofo ano mo ne nchen oni omo yedwuma ebi free ne nase na o makopie mu computer man ho na ye hwe onipa ba ko de e kamia ye say oni mama part no omo issue no it can never be solved to the extent say what you obi akọ station no so na omo ani na mu awa utie conversation na ekofo a de be mpa na obetimi aka e de afa.
First of all, I'm blaming the management of the TV station. Computer man, I mean the kind of management but only management on from number structure man. Because before anything goes on air, you need to certify say at the end of is the right thing.
A live program, so
thank you. Because not even against the rules of winner, it's all cutting in. Producer no one so to make cutting in. One cutting in now some about won't mean you find your excuses oh na minim your more can't me no. It's in the first place, no. The management of the TV station, they are wrong. They need to apologize for whatever happened because they are supposed to be what reliable or they will be held liable for whatever goes on air. That's the first thing. Now, secondly, I don't really know what the whole fuss is about. Say, minim so be a jobi boy, ana.
Sanya Nana Brown, ni kuno krasa mama no try certain passes on him. Now, person no Bembe bia obekasa na wajimi. Okay. To be frank with you, if you're a man worth your salt, na sebe oba approach you, so see that you are handsome. It doesn't give you the license, so obekasa a mapel. For all you know, no, or not the way you na dia back be. Okay. Don't tell hot.
What don't tell hot so?
And yes, upon one.
And yes, upon no what's now. It's we a bear man a ma a full set. Upon the two are no now can. Now one can only matured enough. Okay. Mature conversation. Sometimes no before said the man is not being married now because Uncle Man come on now bear money therefore where be bem now be on be brain wakasano. It doesn't really speak well of you as a man. Okay. What bear my dear, answer now because would see it. Na o ma wa chepi ma bi ba fe obema ni mum na no ya broma na so which I find very because me tears are comment no I really didn't like it but as obema de say one no utimi ekra ho na enye nsem bia na say ultimate kind of sana trying to
the issue on board about say ye do POB evangelist on part Abraham wanna call no yes sika gele na oye no eya man ya oba out abe kan sem bi say wagye ne ho sika ne nyema bi kura watonton wadada no ama na tonton ne nyema ama o excavator machines ibia ye di tu sika akọ ni ade ni nyina afri nsa enu nti no eye okoso okogye ne sika ya ko. If say we know it's true, say yampa maame no aye saade na obi a uwo sika to that extent no. Uhia say obe double money.
One say Ghana for say be very greedy.
Okay.
To be frank with you, only me enti a omo to go police station. Wow, o call ho a crime for you. Yes.
Me am call for sika gale no.
Et say bema no wa call ashawo. Wa go di ashawo.
Okay.
Now the we na ashawo for na bo na so o call reporting. Ya beche. Wow, o call ashawo for no. Once you've committed a crime.
Okay.
You are no what abatement. Enti ono no call so call double ni sika no. Double scan a bank. A bank. Enti on to me police station.
Okay.
Because as some by social media reports. Go to the police station. Who call now no munya, go to the court.
Okay.
But when him say by laws no, or he's guilty. It went to me court. It's why you have a media social media ways say. Sometimes me there before says I go no woody. Because you real one pa and you social media so now can.
Okay.
Him say oh yeah my dear na me pa make police station. Make report to. Na no be on ya yourself. Me jam na me bibie ma no na me kana we I say ever so be am me. It is a offense or case our police station. Simple.
Call NIT FM no na cry police report bi a say or they call medical script ye de mama they call hospital doctor sign I kramo no mo kan say ya bono ne kon ne spinal cord ne joy ne ho niema bia bebrebia. So if that is the case, say wako police station na ya ma medical report say fa hospital na fa command doctor susu ampa ya check you say ya bo wa doctor ntro was no fansan and he found the right place there was what this form no ekoba.
You see mami sambra embre chekaka all come mama part on no kwa
yeah
eno cry is wrong say maba ho na fo say so afrod me make police station
okay
na police for mami personnel no mo di machi na me no aba ho na be invite you aba eno ne mra
okay
minti me fa me pe enko na me go round fee and also nya law you see Ghana for no I don't know what is wrong with us sometimes say nyama bi no as if say again no I sound say den
okay
who call one man police leader me sure say anka so call ya bo no me mini ho into who na say ya bo but rightly na say can police for the call and yes so call ya bo wi a na fe na wako police station say mako ba bi ni abo me obi akra ni but when the police for the call na ya bo police for the crap Kasa na ekese ye.
How case?
Thank you. And number 2, say oje your friend say medical way ya. Who call police for now here no be kwasa. You just pick a lawyer and go to the court.
Okay.
Based on medical report no.
And you're ready.
They'll call the person and then they'll start a case. Say about the same and nipa we call and say. And now it's ni all ya there. I say on second round maybe the moon say attention be attention seeker be today.
Okay.
Because the near break on where to get justice. And just social media so. Social media so justice be anyhow. Okay, go for now. Sorry, sir. But you don't really get what you really want. It's a murder it's a murder so fast.
Is it necessary says your station be na obi the case at bedroom so say no be dia yemi. Na mako police station kwa say. Do you have the liberty to listen to the person on air? Emane kanasem abroad the third party involved now and I said the accused no any aware of any accusation.
It's wrong. My whole say before we answer but it's very very wrong. First of all, waba can answer natural. Weti. You have to also call the police.
Okay.
To even find out. But for all you know, no your investigation, no say brother son of a kind no you could be any TJ. Who find another police officer whereby I say this here. When you now for what threat accuser no say oh open the was mama to my name. Now say also count when your facts ni na no Then once accused an ebia or yeah, you will be as okay. Menya 1 2 we meet in their home and then proceed. But you don't just come and say what Obia yo. Because I want our cancer, no, it doesn't do anything. What I said, Nipanabua go to the law courts. Let them deal with the person. That's why I'm a radio so and now we which my radio stations be ya. Nyan Sabianim. But I mean, no, when in an obin take you on all in here. Because so go, I can answer man, you are in trouble. And if an album me say, me booby. As I mean that the radio station needs to prove. A hot assembly banner. It's when someone the radio station don't mean and let's be careful. Especially on program managers, meaning training quiet the moment as if say, or more relaxing laws in the kakra. Because over radio station and TV station, they need to do what we call background check. And say you be like a journalist. Met me up from say if you be a show, right? You don't just take my word for it and then start publishing it. You do what? Your background checks about 2-3 people to be sure say what I'm saying is the truth. Because one yes I now book or publish it, not something bad there false. Your credibility. Why don't you mean radio stations go on your bayana your publisher something like that honor way. Agradaa can take them on. Because more into the side of the story, and then you just publish the thing, damaging her reputation, which means defamation. She can just go ahead and take them on.
Yambra ya DC na Yambra Agradaa mama part any computer man. So far it's like this workers won't tell me that is causing the commotion. What would be your advice?
You see, maybe I may say, Obia or ye dangerous we are sapane obi otimi fi obi echi. No abeka na one self from actually obi from in the edge. Sali pa the show. Obetimi akunipa. The same of you echi a or sanko ewiase obi friend loyalty. Loyalty kire say me no wo ho. Asem bi e beba ye ntem no kokua ma se wa me no beka no. Me no nya asem say den enye say pie. And no the friend say you are a loyal person. But you obi asabe and then only me a fine. Enti bibia e cool. Me no nya asem no ko bi asem ni na cha obi without even my knowledge. Ebi okwa no sanka bi agum. Nipa na oba ho ba beka no sa no be yo. Enti me de omo jump no asofo ni dey should be careful. Ekofo na omo twa omo nhia na omo sre omo no. A small circle. And omo hwe yi a someone no be bro omo no. Omo ntimi nso a.
Yeah, but that was it. Nyame sure pa. Once you want to enter no na dey afa comment section as ni akan e dey ama o. All the social media platform no eso media any empress and memenya na K3 ba ko pe. Hwe ho so ye. Makra.